Hey, today I'm making portable cheesecakes, so let's get to it. These are perfect to take to any kind of outdoor event. They're individual servings of cheesecakes. We're going to use these plastic mini cups with lids to make our portable cheesecakes. The first thing you want to do is take about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of butter and melt it in a microwave. When your butter is melted, you want to take a half of a cup of crushed graham crackers. Take your butter and just pour it into the jar. We're going to mix this all together so that it's well blended. And then we're just going to set this aside because this is what we're going to use for our crust. That was easy. Next, to make the actual cheesecake, take 1 block of softened cream cheese. Then you're going to take 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then you want to take 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. That's it. Now we're going to take an electric hand mixture and blend this. Blend it for about 20 seconds so that everything comes together just like that. And then last, we're going to take 1/2 cup of Cool Whip. And we're going to fold the Cool Whip into the rest of the mixture. So your mixture should look just like that. Now it's time to fill our cups. So now we're going to take our graham cracker mixture, about a tablespoon, not quite, and we're going to fill the bottom of all of our cups. This mixture should make about 12 to 14 portable cheesecakes. And you want to make sure, after you wash your hands, that you press the graham cracker crust down into the bottom of your portable cups. Just taking a cookie scoop, I think this is about a tablespoon cookie scoop, and putting a scoop into each cup. Once all of your cups are filled, you want to tap it. And now what we're going to do, and this is not mandatory, I've de-thawed these red raspberries, so I'm just going to put a few red raspberries on top of each one, just because red raspberries are delicious and it will look really pretty. So now we're just going to place a lid on it, just like that. And there you have it, the perfect portable portion of cheesecakes. You can throw it up, you can drop it. If you're out in a park and one of the kids wings it at a tree, nothing's gonna happen to it. So this is just a great dessert to make. It's fun, it's cute. Enjoy your portable portions of mini cheesecakes. I hope you liked this video and enjoy your weekend. Thanks.